Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to a special episode where I'll be talking about a very interesting topic called covered bonds. So first let me type covered bond in Google and I will show you what Wikipedia says. Covered bonds are debt securities issued by a bank or a mortgage institutions and collateralized against a pool of assets that in case of failure of the issuer can cover the claims at any point of time. They are subject to specific legislation to protect the bondholders. Unlike asset-based securities created in securitization, the covered bonds continue as obligation of the issuer. In essence, the investor has recourse against the issuer and the collateral, sometimes known as dual recourse. Typically, covered bond assets remain on the issuer's consolidated balance sheet, usually with an appropriate capital charge. Well, even I am getting confused by reading this very long definition. Don't worry, that is not that difficult. And let me explain in very simple terms. Generally, there are two types of investments. One is equity investment, other one is a debt instrument. People who can take risk, they go for equity investment. And generally, people do not want to take risk, they go for debt instruments. But what are the debt instruments available? One is FD, two is debt mutual funds, and three the bonds. So these are the three things generally people know. So first let us talk about bank fixed deposits. And you know the bank fixed deposits, they are very low nowadays. You get hardly 4 or 5%. And top of which you pay the tax. Then post-tax return works out to be only 2 to 3%. I have a cousin who is a very senior person and he does not like BJP. You know why? As and when BJP comes to power, the interest rates becomes very low. If you can remember, during Vajpayee period, the interest rates were very low and now during BJP rule, the interest rates are very low. And however, this has nothing to do with the politics. The interest rates are depending upon the economic cycles. So, nowadays people look for some higher return than bank FD. And usually what people do, instead of going for FD, they used to go for debt mutual funds. And the debt mutual funds, they give slightly higher return. How can they give slightly higher return? Normally what happens, you put money in bank FD, they pay you 6% and they lend that money to companies at 10%, so they gain 4% extra. But the thing is, in case of a default by any company, so the banks take the hit. They return you the promised 6% return. Whereas in debt mutual funds, they collect money from you and they give it to the companies. If any company defaults, then you take the hit, not the mutual funds. Because they hardly charge 1-2% asset management fee only. So they don't gain anything. What happened in the last 2 years, companies like DHFL, companies like IL&FS, they defaulted on their debt. That has created a big problem even in the debt mutual fund industries. If you look at the debt mutual fund return for the last 1 year, it's very, very pathetic. It's even lower than the bank FD. Debt mutual funds are higher risk but giving lower return. And that's because of these some companies defaulting. And you all must remember the Franklin Templeton. Their debt mutual funds had to be closed and creating a lot of confusion among the investors. Then people choose bonds and ATR1 bond or something like that. The biggest risk in the bond is that if a company defaults and the bondholders get 0 rupees. That is what exactly happened in Yes Bank and Lakshmi Vilas Bank. So when the banks defaulted, so the bondholders got nothing. So even their entire capital at risk. At least equity, though risky, at least you get half of the money. But here the bonds have gone to 0. So nowadays the people are so scared to invest in bond. That is where this covered bond is a very good opportunity for investors to look into. Let me explain the covered bond in simple terms. And before that, let me tell you, Denmark, an European country, the entire real estate is financed through covered bond. Let us say I'm running a gold loan company. So people come, give me the gold, I give them the loan. Now I have 10 kg of gold with me and I don't have money. So all my money is given. Now some more people are coming and I don't have money. So if I want to improve my business, I need money. So what I do, this 10 kg of gold, I give it to a third person called trustee. Okay, you hold it. And based on this, you get me some loan. And then you are paying me a loan. The bond I am issuing, that's called covered bond. And the gold is with the trustee. I cannot misuse it. So you subscribe to the bond, covered bond. Your bond is covered by the gold lying with the trustee. So tomorrow, even if I default, you don't have to worry because your money will be taken care by the collateral of gold lying with the trustee. So this collateral can be gold and can be housing documents in case of housing finance companies, and then it can be hypothecated RC books of vehicles in case of vehicle financing companies. Where can we find these covered bonds? And usually these are meant for HNI clients and minimum investment is 10 lakh rupees. Now there is one company now called Vint Wealth and I'm showing their website and the link is there in the description. So vintwealth.com, and these people are bringing the covered bonds to the retail investors. So I'm going to show you one such thing. Invest in products earlier accessible only at high investment amounts. Now you can invest in lower investment amount also. You can get 9 to 11% fixed returns. Minimum investment is about 10,000. So it is also listed in stock exchanges. If I click explore and see, right now they have an offer, Vint Wheels March 21, and if you invest in these bonds, you get 10.25% per annum as the return, which is almost 2 times the FD return. And these are all bonds, but these are all covered bonds. So I may not have time to show everything. Later you can go to this website vintwealth.com and you can check yourself. I'll just briefly go through this. So the asset size is 20 crore and maturity is about 23 months and collateral is vehicle loan. As I told you, collateral can be gold, collateral can be housing documents, collateral can be vehicle loans. In fact, these people, earlier they came out with other issues and one was the Vint Gold. So there the gold was the underlying asset. So they've given 11% per annum, 10% per annum. Now they're all over. Right now Vint Wheels is there. So here the interest rate is 10.25% per year and the interest will be paid on a monthly basis, right? So if you want to know more about this, you can click on the frequently asked questions and you can check some resources and so on, right? So the vintwealth.com is a company. It is backed by people like Nitin Kamath, Zerodha and Cret and many other top people. And here, if you see the asset details and here who is giving, we are subscribing to the bond, but to whom we are giving? And we are giving the money to Kokta Financial Limited. And this is a very good company with a very big market cap. Even Morgan Stanley has invested in that company. So you want to know more details, you can go and check brief understanding, covered pools, etc., right? So when it comes to any investment, and I always say 3 things are more important. One is S, L, R. S stands for safety, L stands for liquidity, R stands for return. Though here you are getting higher return, almost 2 times the FD return, but don't only look at the return. In the order of priority, you must look at safety, liquidity, return. When it comes to safety, this is much more safer than normal bonds because normal bonds, if the company defaults, you don't get anything. And here, if this company defaults, you will still get back your money because the collaterals are there. It is covered by the underlying asset. So this way, this is more safer than other debt instrument. Of course, I'm not comparing with FD. I'm comparing with debt mutual funds and other bonds. Second one, liquidity. So when it comes to liquidity, the wintwealth.com will create the liquidity. So they'll be able to buy and sell. That is why they are running this website. But however, I can caution you, sometimes you may not have liquidity. So usually these products are maximum for 1 to 2 years. In this case, it is about 23 months. So in case, if there is no liquidity, you must be able to hold on for the entire 23 months. Return. So return, I can tell you, when this kind of low interest rate environment, anything that you are getting more than 10% is a fantastic return. So even if you come under 30% income tax category, even the post-tax return you are getting about 7% plus. So even I am considering to invest my own money in this debt instrument. So earlier these things were available only for HNI clients, but now through this wintwealth.com, it is available even for retail people, even for the people who have as low as 10,000 rupees. And the link is there in the description. So I hope I have given a very good piece of information to you, and though it is a sponsored video, I have given a balanced view, and this company has not insisted me to say anything positive about them. So whatever I felt positive, whatever I felt negative, I have spoken. So hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.